Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're coming back. And if it's your first time, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. So I'm going to talk a little bit about trust in relationship. And maybe this is a different perspective for you. Really what I want to say about this and what I know for myself and, for the last 30 years of working with people and empowering people in their own relationships with others, but with themselves, is trust is yours to handle and trust is yours to choose. Really, it's your job and it's your responsibility for yourself is to find out the triggers in this relationship and find someone outside of this relationship to work that out with. That's to say, that's if you're in relationship. If you're not in relationship right now and you know you have trust issues because of the perhaps quote unquote failed relationships in the past, but are they really failed or are they just mistakes? Right? Mistakes likely because of these issues with regards to trust, for instance. It's a big damage in relationship and can be when you don't trust the other person. But really what it is, you may have the reason to not trust for some reason the person, right? However, if you attracted something like that, you might have somewhere inside of you unresolved issues with regards to trust. So who broke your heart? Who disappointed you? Who did you feel so defeated by, or what did you feel so defeated by that you promised you would never trust your body, another being, males or female, this earth, the universe, what you call God, ever again? It's really important to know that. The best relationships are when you come to it more whole and complete. Again, not perfect, more whole and complete, and aware of your own triggers. Don't use your relationship and don't trust in your relationship to fix the trust or the lack of trust that you have. Be in it, know yourself, take responsibility for yourself, go take care of yourself separately, and bring back the whole and complete you how you would like things to be in your relationship. We all go through this life and we have heartbreaks and disappointments and defeats and traumas and tragedies. It doesn't mean you have to attract that to have them continue, or that you have to take that out and repeat that and recapitulate that in your relationships. Trust you, take care of you, heal you, get right with you, and then everything that you choose from there will be in that orb instead of from the past trauma or the past hurt. If you like what I had to say here, please like it, subscribe, get notified by clicking on the bell, pass it along to anybody that you might think is interested in this, and put in the comments what you think, what you sense, what you became aware of, or maybe what else you would like to know about.